Good morning, everyone. This is James Dickerson with Keller Williams Realty in Northeast. Hi, welcome to 114 Robbie Street. Hey, come on in. I'm doing an open house today. Let's go take a look around. Thank you. All right here, we got an entryway right here. You got a fireplace in the living room here. And have a seating area right there by the window. You got a few stairs to go up. Go right here, put your dining room table right here. It's all ready for you. Got quite a bit of cabinet space. The kitchen is very lovely. All right, you got the microwave right here. You got the oven, you got the dishwasher, you got the sink. You got this lovely countertop stove here. So let's go downstairs, see what we got for us, okay? All right, downstairs, we got a little hideaway suite downstairs, right here. Comes with a full bath, ready to go, all for you. Then go back upstairs here. Before we go upstairs, take a look outside in the back. All right. There's a little lovely seating area back here. So you can put your little patio table right there. And you can see it right across the street over there. This is a little area right here. 1144 Robbie Street. Oh, look at that old Thunderbird down the street down there. I know something. All right, let's go inside, go upstairs. You got a little office space right here when you come back in from outside. Ready to go to work. Have your own little private nook right here. All right, hit it back upstairs. All right, right here before you go to this other floor, got your little half bath right here. As you can see, for your guests. Hit it upstairs. When you come up, got your little laundry room here. Right here by the 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom here. Everything is hardwood floors. Got your closet. One thing about the closet I love, when you open the door and close it, light comes on automatic. Over here, got a full bath over here. Let's go to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, first thing you come to is the master bath. This is your master bath here. Double sinks. And here's your master bedroom. And it has a little door for a little balcony out front, so you can look out and enjoy your day. All right, that's it. My name is James Dickerson. So for all your selling, buying, and leasing needs, feel free to give me a call. 707-758-0172. Thank you. Have a great day.